If the Solitaire cache icon disappeared after an update, the app may still be installed even though its shortcut is no longer visible on your home screen. You can usually fix this by checking your app list, searching for Solitaire cache, and then restoring the app icon to your home screen. First, check whether Solitaire cache is still installed. On Android, swipe up from the home screen to open the full app list, then search for Solitaire cache. If the app appears there, tap and hold its icon and drag it back to the home screen. On iPhone, swipe left past your home screen pages until you reach the app library. Search for Solitaire cache there. If you find it, press and hold the icon and select the option to add it to the home screen. If Solitaire cache does not appear in the app list or app library, check the Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone. Search for Solitaire cache and check what button appears. If the store shows open, the app is still installed, and the missing icon is likely a home screen or app library issue. Open the app from the store, then check whether the icon returns to its normal location. If the store shows install or get instead, Solitaire cache is no longer installed on the device. Reinstall it from the official App Store and sign in using the same account you previously used. On Android, you should also check whether the launcher is hiding the app. Open your phone's home screen or launcher settings and look for options related to hidden apps or app visibility. If Solitaire cache is listed as hidden, restore its visibility. If the icon disappeared immediately after an update but Solitaire cache still opens normally, restart the phone before reinstalling anything. A restart can refresh the launcher and rebuild the app's shortcuts after an update. If you are using Android and the icon still does not appear, open Settings, select Apps, and search for Solitaire cache. Confirm that the app is installed and enabled. If it is disabled, enable it, and check the app list again. Avoid uninstalling Solitaire cache as your first step if you are unsure which account is connected. Reinstalling an app can require you to sign back in, so make sure you know your login details before removing it. The key checks are simple. Search the app list. Check the app library or launcher settings. Verify Solitaire cache in the App Store, and restart your phone after the update. If Solitaire cache is installed but the icon remains missing, contact Solitaire cache support and provide your device model, operating system version, and the app version shown by your device. If this fixed the missing Solitaire cache icon, like the video and subscribe for more Solitaire cache troubleshooting guides.